Morning, my dear students. So, today I'm going to take a new lesson, Care for Friends. Okay, children? Now, all of you look at this picture. What can you see from the picture? Yes, you can see a school playground and children are playing in it. And you can see a boy has fallen down and he got a wound. So children, what you will do in such a situation when your friend happens to be in such a situation, what are the duties you are going to do? Exactly, if I was in the place or if you are in the place, what will you do, children? Yes, if I was in the place, I will console him, right? Yes, and I will examine the wound, how deep it is. I will give necessary comfort to him. Then I will inform to the teachers or take him to the staff room or the office room. So these all are the things I can do to him. If the wound is very deep, I can take him to the doctor with the help of the elder people. So these all things we can do when you see your friend or any person who is getting an accident. So accidents, it can be of different types, children. Isn't it? Yes, it can be fire burns, it can be insect bite, snake bite, fainting, electric shock. So many kinds of accidents are available and are present, and also children, in such situation, what we will do? Yes, giving first aid to the patient is very important. What is this first aid? It is the care given to the person who meets with an accident. After, when he is injured. So before he get any medical assistance or before he consult a doctor, the care we are giving to them is called the first aid. So what are the benefits of first aid? Yes, it will reduce the intensity of injury and the victim will get comfort. When you care them a lot, they will get a lot of comfort. And what are the duties that the first aid must do? The first aid providers must do? Yes, whenever they see a person who got an accident, we have to go to them and you have to examine the wound, how deep it is, and take necessary steps. Then you can console that victim, because he will be in tension, he will be in worry and all. So you can console that accident victim and you can inform to the elders or concerned people, and if the wound is very deep, you can provide a medical assistance. So this all are the duties which is done by a first aid providers. So I told you children, first aid means is the care which we give to the person who meets with an accident. So we need a first aid box for it. To give a first aid, we need a first aid box. Do you know children what all are the things in a first aid box? Yes, in a first aid box we have an antiseptic lotion or a cream, then a cotton, bandage, scissors, safety pins, then disposable sterile gloves, water, distilled water for cleaning the wound, and there will be some medicines like painkillers like paracetamol, aspirin and all. So these are the materials which is required in a first aid. So every second week or second Saturday of the September, we are celebrating as the First Aid Day. You know why we are celebrating the First Aid Day? To bring awareness to the people about the importance of first aid box. Because accidents can occur at any time. Right, children? Yes, we have to save our precious life. That is more important. Right? So for that, we need a first aid box. In your schools, in cars, everywhere first aid box is very important. So this is about today's topic. Today we learned about accidents, and when a person is suffered from an accident, what first aid, what care, how to care it. This all we have learned in this lesson. So hope you understood today's topic. Bye children.